Hello! Here's my quick and easy activities that will keep toddlers busy, playing, learning, and having fun all at the same time without any screen time.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Yes, you heard it right. Stamping with watercolor and sponge stamps. Cut the sponge into fun shapes, dip it into watercolor, and let your toddler stamp away. Easy to set up, colorful, and creative.
5,
5. This one? This one?
4,
This.
over.
The second easy activity is shapes and numbers. Draw a different shapes and place numbers inside them. Then ask your toddler to draw the shapes on top of it using the number as a guide. It's a playful way to practice both counting and drawing. Third activity is tracing. Very easy. Draw different lines or shapes on paper or print free tracing activity on the internet. Then let your child trace over them with crayons or markers. This improves coordination, focus, and early writing skills. The next one is tracing with glue and decorations. This needs a bit of preparation. Draw simple items like a heart, straight lines, or even wavy patterns. Outline them with glue, then let kids decorate by sticking pom-poms, leaves, or small bits of paper. The outcome is super cute and it builds fine motor skills. And fifth is cut and paste. This is my most favorite on-the-go activity. Print out free activity sheets online and grab old grocery catalogs. Kids love cutting food, toys, or any objects and glue them onto paper to make their own collage masterpiece. And the last activity is saving animals with ice cubes. Fill an ice cube tray with water mixed with food coloring and place a small animal toy inside each cube. And when it's ready, give it to your toddler to rescue the animals by melting the ice. It's fun, very exciting, and it teaches patience. If you like and learned something here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.